Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with an assembly video for one of our die sets. This is die number 1135, the Fast Food Charms, and you can check out all of our die designs at karenburniston.com. There are 13 individual dies in the set. Scraps work great with all of our little small charm sets. You can use any die cutting machine that can accommodate a wafer thin die, including some of the little small machines like this Dress My Craft Easy Cuts machine. Okay, let's start with the Cheeseburger Charm, and what I like to do is take the lettuce and tomato and glue those together. So the top of the tomato kind of has clipped corners, if you can see those, and those line up perfectly with the edges of the lettuce. So just top to top, you can put those two pieces together. Now you can use any glue that you like. I like my LINECO neutral pH adhesive in my fine tip bottle. We do sell both of those items on our website. Then I do the exact same thing with the cheese and the burger. So the flatter part of the burger is the top, and that lines up perfectly with the top of the cheese. For the bun itself, there is an optional stencil feature on the die. So if you just leave the paper in the die or put it back in the die, you can sponge through all of those sesame seed openings with some brown ink, or you can use a pen. And then I'm just going to brush that same brown ink around the perimeter. Okay, so in order to get all of the stack to fit inside, what you want to do is start with the lettuce and tomato, and you want to tuck that in as high as it will go. So until the lettuce gets right to the edge of the opening. And then what I do is I just tilt that upper part of the bun back to add some glue to attach it. So now the lettuce and tomato are attached to the upper bun, but I'll still be able to tuck in the cheese and the burger below the tomato until I get it into a position where I like it. And I secure that with a little bit of glue underneath the burger. And I like a little glue between the tomato and the cheese as well. So that's the finished little cheeseburger charm. And then I just use a rag to wipe the ink off of the die. There are 3 dies in the set that combine to make the hot dog charm. So I've brushed a little ink around the bun, and then just a little bit of glue to hold the hot dog in place, and then slide that in. And then there is a die that will do a squiggly line of condiment. I chose mustard, so I cut it out of yellow, but it could be ketchup or ketchup and mustard if you wanted to. Okay, so that's the hot dog charm. For the fries, there is an optional stencil feature on the carton that you can sponge through or use a gel pen or some kind of pen to add like a little scalloped circle design onto the front of the carton. And then the die that cuts the fries, they all just come out as a single piece. You can maybe brush that with a little ink if you'd like some highlighting. And then it's just a matter of tucking the fries into the carton and securing them with a little bit of glue. And there are a couple of highlighting score lines on the side of the carton that you can just leave it flat, or if you want to, you can find those score lines and kind of bend the sides of the carton back a little bit, give it a little bit of dimension. Okay, so those are the fries, and then the last charm in the set is the soft drink. There are 3 dies to combine to make that. Once again, you have a stencil feature for the cup itself. If you leave the paper in the die, you can use a pen or some ink to sponge through to add that decoration to the front of the cup. Then there is a die in the set that will make the lid, and that will just fit perfectly on the cup. And then the final die cuts the bendy straw, and you can go in maybe with a pen and add some stripes to that. And then just some glue on the straw, and it can go in at whatever angle you like. As with all of our charm sets, it is easy to snip the little holes off if you want to use these as standalone elements. Kelly Booth is using the charms as standalone elements on this triple flip card. I love how she styled the sesame seeds on the bun for this one. And then when you open it, you can see that she's also made a clear cup of soda. Next up is a great extended circle tag book by Lois Bach. And for this one, she's used the fast food charms along with our sweet treats charms. So you kind of get the entire food court experience. Then finally, a wonderful card front by Fran Sabad using the fast food charms and a greeting that says, "Love you like French fries." The fast food charms are available on our website as well as a lot of your favorite online and local retailers. Shipping starts August 3rd, 2020. Thanks for watching. If you click on the website link, you'll go to karenburniston.com where you can find out information about purchasing these dies as well as links to all my other social media accounts. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel and check out some of my other videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.